Hello everyone, welcome to this wonderful course on financial derivatives, Black-Scholes model in options. Now in this particular course, we are going to learn how to calculate the value of call option as well as put option using Black-Scholes model, ultimately helping the trader to earn profits on whether to buy or to sell the option. Right? So first of all, you must understand the concept of financial derivatives. Now financial derivatives refers to those financial instruments which derive their value on the basis of some underlying asset. Now that asset could be a commodity, it could be a stock which is traded in the stock market. So they derive their value on the basis of some underlying asset. And that is what the core essence of financial derivative is. Now financial derivatives are classified into options, futures, forwards, swaps, warrants. Now in this course, our focus is on options, which are call option and put option, ultimately calculation of the price of the call option and put option using Black-Scholes model. First of all, you must remember that option is classified into two. Call option, which gives the trader the right to buy, although it's not an obligation, it is a right to buy, and put option gives the trader the right to sell. So call option is the right to buy, while put option is the right to sell, although the buyer of call option or put option is not under any obligation to perform the trade, but he has got the right after paying a premium, and that premium could be estimated with the help of Black-Scholes model. So this is one of the most important models used in financial derivatives as far as options are concerned. Now in this course, first of all, we are going to introduce the concept of Black-Scholes model. Ultimately, we will be explaining you the mechanism of solving or finding out the value of the option using Black-Scholes model. Simultaneously, calculation of the constants d1 and d2 by using natural log functions and exponential functions. Right? So in the coming sections, the videos on specifically natural log functions and exponential functions have also been placed for the enrichment of the knowledge of the subject. Ultimately, moving on to the variations of Black-Scholes model, which are Black-Scholes model whenever there are continuous dividends, and also Black-Scholes model, the application of Black-Scholes model in discrete dividend problems. So all in all, this is going to be a great learning experience for you. Right? See you in the next lecture. Looking forward to see you all in the next lecture comprising of Black-Scholes model in options. Thank you.